don't fuck about! Hello, I'm Luke and I'm here on site mikesgymmarbella, and here is another famous obstacle, part of the obstacle course. This one is called the pegboard, and what you are supposed to achieve here is from the starting point underneath this red line, you have to walk with the pegs all the way up above the line and come back underneath the bottom line without falling down or touching the floor. You are allowed to use the sides, but you're not allowed to use the back. And you can't just come up all the way and then halfway and think that you've done it. You have to come down all the way below the line. So when you start off, lock off with your arms, squeeze your thighs, and you walk up 2 at a time. Pull up, keep going all the way to the top. And then on the way down, don't take too big of a steps. That will make it very hard to keep control. Under the line, remove yourself from the logs, and there you have it, 100% score. Now, there's some different ways you can do this one. Me personally, I like to reach as far as I can, lock off with one arm and reach with the other one. However, if you're just starting out on this one, there's some different ways you can start out with this one because it's quite heavy. So when you start out, I'd suggest you just go one peg, match with the other one. So just go one and match with the other one. Focus on locking off that arm. So when you go, you squeeze, raise the hip so you can reach for the next one. And then you can come up a little bit with your pull-up strength. Hip, come up, and so forth. The same as you're coming down, don't take two, take one. And squeeze with those thighs. Rely on your leg strength and not your arms. So, do you have it, folks? If you want to get stronger on this one, there's some ways you can train for it. I really suggest you work on some pull-ups and some chins. Those are great exercises, and I know they are pain, but they're gonna help you reach your goals way faster. Now, also a good thing to remember is not just working dynamically, but also working statically. Locking off, squeezing the back a lot. So wherever you do your pull-ups, chins, remember that the lock-off strength is super important. So that's it for this one. Good luck and enjoy your training. See you next time.